Welcome to UAT University's entrance tips. So, guys, today we are planning to conduct a question paper discussion on previous year's CUET PG Commerce question paper. So, shall we begin? So, guys, we'll be discussing the CUET PG Commerce question paper. So, the first question is: as per the principle of dash, no one can make profit by insuring with multiple insurers. Okay, so that is the question. So, this question is related to the insurance principles. So, the answer for this is option B, contribution. See, you might be confused between indemnity and contribution. So, here the contribution principle states that if you have insured with more than one insurance company, then they have to contribute the amount in a specified ratio. Okay, so no one can make profit out of it. So, the answer for this question is contribution. Now, the second question, see, it is actually a match the following question. So, in the first section, it is given some specific sectors, and in the second section, it is given the regulatory body. So, we have to match them. So, the first one is capital market. So, capital market is regulated by SEBI. So, A equal to third. Now, the second one, insurance sector. So, insurance sector, as you all know, it is regulated by the IRDA. So, B equal to fourth one. Now, C, banking sector. So, banking sector is regulated by RBI, right? So, C is equal to second, regulated by RBI. Now, the fourth one is telecom sector. So, D is regulated by TRAI. Okay, so it is the first section. So, now let's see the options. A equal to 3, B equal to 4, C equal to second, and D equal to 1. So, the answer to this question is C. Now, the third question, which of the following banks is established to support agricultural finance? To support agricultural finance. So, the options are SBI, RBI, NABARD and Bank of Baroda. So, the answer is, as you know, it is NABARD. So, NABARD was established on 20th July 1982. So, 20th July 1982. Now, the next question. So, this question, which of the following is not an asset of commercial banks? So, we are given certain assets and we have to find out which of them is not an asset of commercial banks. So, the first one is bill of exchange. Second one, demand deposit. Third one, cash reserve with RBI. And fourth one is money lent to customers. So, as you guys know, demand deposit. Okay, over here, demand deposit. Demand deposit is a liability. So, all the other three items, which is bill of exchange, cash reserve ratio, and this money lent to customers, these three options are asset to commercial banks. So, the only option left is demand deposit, which is a liability. So, the bank has to pay this amount upon demand. So, the answer to this question is B, demand deposit, which is a liability. Now, the next question, which of the following is the asset function of money? The asset function of money. So, here you need to check or you need to recollect all the functions of money. So, as you know, here, medium of exchange. It is a function of money, standard of deferred payment. Function of money, store of value is also a function of money. So, the only option exempted is unit of account. Okay, so what is the answer to this question? It is unit of account. Now, next question. In order to increase money, okay, remember to increase money supply in an economy. So, here we are given 4 situations and from this we need to analyze which of these situations will lead to the increase in money supply in the economy. So, let's just go through the options. So, the first option is bank rate and CRR should be increased. Okay, bank rate and CRR should be increased. Next one, bank rate should increase. Okay, bank rate should increase and CRR should decrease. Now, the third option, bank rate should decrease and CRR should increase. Now, the last option, bank rate and CRR both should be decreased. So, what is bank rate? See, bank rate is the rate at which commercial banks will borrow money from RBI. And CRR is the amount or cash reserve ratio is the rate at which commercial banks have to keep money at RBI for security purposes. So, now we need to check which of the following option will lead to the decrease in money supply in the economy. So, as you know, the answer to this is both bank rate and CRR. Okay, both bank rate and CRR should be decreased. See, when bank rate decreases, the commercial banks can borrow more money and give it to the public. And when CRR is decreased, the amount to be kept in RBI is reduced so that the commercial banks will have more money to operate, and this money will be given to the, or this money will be flown to the economy. So there will be enough money supply in the economy. So the option is D, both bank rate and CRR should be decreased. So now the eighth question. See, marketing is a human activity. This is a definition. Okay, marketing is a human activity directed at satisfying needs and wants through exchange processes. So who said this? So this is a definition. We need to identify who among them had pointed or coined this definition. So the answer to this question is option A, Philip Kotler. Now next question. So this is also a match the following question. So in the one side we are giving piece of marketing, and in the next side we are given the elements. So we need to match them. So here we are given product, which is equal to warranty, price, which is equal to credit facility, promotion, it is the method by which we promote our product. Okay, so it is personal selling. Now place, it is the location, so it is factory location. So A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3, and D equal to 4. So here the answer is first option. A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3, and D equal to 4. Now, the next question. Promotion mix is the particular combination of promotional tools used by a company to dash with its audience. So, promotional mix is the particular combination of promotional tools and why it is used. So, what will it do to its customers? So, the answer to this question is that it helps the company to communicate. Okay, so the answer is communicate with its audience or customers. Now, last question. So, this is also a match the following question. So, in the first section, we are given some elements or some broad category, elements of the broad category, and in the second section, we are given the broad category. So, we need to match them. So, the first one, grapevine. Grapevine is basically a form of communication channel, form of communication. Now, unity of direction. Unity of direction is basically a management principle. Okay, so unity of direction is a management principle. Time and motion study. Time and motion study, it is related to scientific management. Okay, scientific management. Now, budget. Budget is a tool of control. Okay, to control. Tool of control. So, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 2, and D is equal to 1. So now let's find the answer. A equal to 3, B equal to 4, C equal to 2, and D equal to 1. So the answer to this question is B. So guys, I hope you all understood. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.